This is actually like the first recording for 2026. It's been actually months since I actually um, traded because I've actually been on a break, a long-term break, and it's it's been a while since I did a review or posted on this channel. But I'm hopefully that 2026 is actually going to be a good year, and we're going to be posting more and more and more educational content. So, um, for those of you that don't know, I go by Nada, and I've been trading for quite a while, and I trade just one asset, which is the Nasdaq. And it's a new year. It's another opportunity to get something right. It's another opportunity to like look at the market, and it's another flight. It's another opportunity, a good one. So we're going into the year being optimistic, and hopefully by the end of the year we have good enough results to show. So we're back. I am back at focusing on trading, doing my reviews, my vision, and everything and whatnot is actually going to be on this YouTube channel. And if you notice, we are just on 10 subscribers, and this is our channel. And everything you have to know from from my videos to my shorts, everything is basically on the channel. So this is going to be our first channel for the year, and I'm going to be putting it on a playlist for us to see, like a new playlist which I'm going to be creating and putting my videos for 2026 there. So without further ado, let's get onto it. So this is Nasdaq. We're looking at the 1 month time frame. Going into the 1 month time frame, I actually want to I like to see price draw further down, actually, because I like to pick my shots and where I think the market is likely going to draw towards, and trade in that direction. And please, this is just for educational purposes, and I am not going to be held responsible for any loss incurred by watching this video. Please practice on the demo account, and best of luck. So this is the Nasdaq 1 month time frame. As you all know, I only trade the Nasdaq. Prior to last year, I traded GBP, JPY, USD CAD, USD JPY, but this year I am solely focusing on just the Nasdaq, which I trade very well, which I'm like my edge is good on, and I just want to trade that, just that and that alone. So Nasdaq 1 month time frame, we have October, we have November, and let's see, okay, we have October, which is this candlestick right here. We have November, then we have December, and we have January. So we have October, November we went bearish, December we went bearish, but not like a huge candle. Then January, my focus is on November's low. Now, why do I feel it's going to take on November's low? There are a couple of reasons. But if I'm looking at how the market has been bearish for a while, October from October closing to the high, which is from October closing to this high, November, December, January. I believe this candle is actually going to drop down and target November low. So my focus, my large long-term focus, is aiming towards that November's low, which is at 23816.8. Now, it's not actually likely going to go there instantaneously or with the speed of light. It just means that I have a target, and I have like where I would like to see price. So uh, I will be pulling off my Fibonacci levels and see. So December we traded into the 62% level and then rejected back up above 50%. So above here is premium sells for shorts, which is actually good for entries. And we've been trading down from November to December. We've been having rejections. We've been having rejections on this high. We tapped it into it. We almost got close. Then went rejected. Came down into it, rejected. December traded down a little bit, rejected. But still closing with bearish, by the way. So my focus is on November's low and probably within this level, because if I want to be more observant, I would be looking at this point of interest, this blue shaded area, which is actually point of interest, but ultimately 23828.7. I know this is just the Nasdaq, not Nasdaq futures, just the Nasdaq. So 23828 is my long-term target, 0.7 is my long-term target. So on the weekly chart, now this is just a rough sketch on this month where I think the market is likely going to drop this month. I will be posting every month or every week where I think the market is likely going to draw to. I might be wrong at some point, I might be wrong in some situations, but that doesn't mean that I am not profitable. I am profitable, but I cannot always be right at every point in time. So November's low, which is this point interest, and my eye came towards this level because they are relatively equal lows, relatively equal lows, and equal lows. There are a ton of reasons for the market to dump, but I do not know when it's going to dump because from my own view is this is to the left and I'm having this in the middle. I should be having something here and likely up and then back down, but I cannot predict that. So my target for now is just this 23828.7. When it gets there, whatever happens, I'll know. So hope you enjoy this short brief video, and if Nasdaq choose to prove otherwise, we will actually be patient. And we have this is a weekly chart, and we have a volume imbalance here. So we're looking at how price trades inside this level. So overall, happy new year and best of luck